Hey guys, I'm just going to do a quick one on how to clean out the new Roomba. This one's the 805. So this is the same sweeper that the other one had. You just cut out whatever hair might be here. And these brushes are a little different, but it's the same concept. You just squeeze these yellow tabs and swing it open. And this one, it's easy to tell which one goes where. So there is a part that goes in on one edge and the other one is out. So as you can see, there's protrusion here, insertion there. So it's actually relatively easy and hard to mess up. You just pull it out, cut whatever's in it out, dump it out. Apparently I have a Halloween toy in mine. Anyways, and then put it back together and keep on going. Thanks.